Hello everyone, Teacher Damien here from the Creative Edu Academy, and today we're back at it again. We're back at it again with another video covering the Fun for Flyers from Cambridge University Press. And today it's Unit 21, The Time of the Year. And today we'll take a look at the calendar, or the amount of days inside a year. There's 365 days in a year, everyone. So here we go. Let's check this out, shall we? A, how many words can you find on the calendar page? Let's count this out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We have 15 words. And here we have it. Write the blue words on the line from the shortest time all up until the longest time. So let's do this. Shortest time, starting from minutes. After a minute, we have an hour. Hours. Okay, easy. Well, what comes after an hour, everybody? What comes after an hour? Out of the blue words here, we have days, right? What happens after days? Days fall into a week. Okay, a week. A week goes up until, what comes after a week? Of course, a months. Okay. Next, we have a year. All right. We have a year. And after a year, what comes after a year? Oh, this is very tricky, everyone. Okay. Oh, we've done it incorrectly. I wonder why. All right. Am I missing something? Okay, so we have minutes, hours, days, and then after a day, we have a week. So let's check that one. Okay, it's incorrect. After a day, we have perhaps, after a day should come a weekend. Sure, let's try this out. Yeah, okay, so a weekend. Next, all right, we have it done already. A weekend, a week, months, fall, winter, summer, a year, and a century. Starting from the shortest time, all up until the longest time. A weekend has 2 days, a week has 7 days, months can be 30 to 6, from a month to 6 months to probably 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months. And then we have fall, winter, summer, a year, a century. All right, moving on to the next question. Choose words from the calendar in A and write them on the lines. So, okay. Starting with number 1. In some parts of the world, this means autumn. That, everybody, autumn can also mean fall. It's when the leaves are orange and yellow and they fall down from the trees, preparing themselves, preparing the weather, preparing the atmosphere for winter, which is snow season. Okay, moving on. This is another way, number 2. The weather at this time of the year is the warmest. Well, in Malaysia, we have summer all year long. But in other countries, summer can only be for a monthly, 2-month, 3-month period. All right, number 3. This is another way of saying 12 in the afternoon. Now we have fall, a week, hours, midnight, summer, a weekend, a year, midday. So midday, the middle of the day. So of course, that is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. In each hour, there are 60 of these. I wonder what that could be. Of course, it's minutes. There's about 60 minutes in an hour. Number 5. Moving on to number 5. Most people are awake for about 16 of these each day. And we as humans are awake for 16 hours a day. Or most of us are awake for 16 hours. So answer is hours. Number 6. This is another way to say Saturday and Sunday. What do we call Saturday and Sunday, everyone? Of course, it's the weekend. I love the weekend. Who here loves the weekend too? It's the best time of my week. All right, 7. You can see the names of 12 of these on any calendar. What could that be, everybody? That's months. We have 12 months in a year. Number 8. A new one of these begins every 100 years. Wow, I'm going to be very old, and that is a century. All right. Number 9, everyone. This is usually the coldest and darkest time of the year. Sometimes days can be short. And of course, it is winter. All right. Number 10. This is when one day finishes and another begins. Which one could that be? This is when one day finishes and another begins. That is midnight. Okay, number 11. This is another way to say now. At the moment. Let's check our answers. And we got all of them correct, everyone. All right. So that wraps it up for our video of today, the time of the year, Unit 21 from the Fun for Flyers, Cambridge University Press. I hope to catch up with all of you soon in the next video here at the Creative Edu Academy. Teacher Damon out. Goodbye, everyone.